So hello everyone, welcome to the market analysis video for tomorrow. Let's see. So first of all, Nifty, it has from last 2 days it has made a doji at the top, right? So at the, if you see that at the bottom of 18,600 level to 19,400, it has directly has given a very good rally. Now it is consolidating at the top, and if this range breakdown of this range, then market also can show some reversal or some retest from the top, which is eventually very normal because market has given direct move from the bottom to top. So if you want to find the retracement zone, first of all, the retracement zone, that is the rejection zone around 18,900 in this area, but we can use also the Fibonacci retracement from to connect the bottom to top. So the levels there that is coming around, uh, let me draw that perfectly first. So the level that is coming around 19,244 and 19,129, this is the range that is coming around for the retracement level for upcoming days. Let me mark that first. Okay, and in 15 minutes, let's move to the 15 minutes time frame for the better understanding. So in 15 minutes time frame, the trend line which I was talking about in the last video, it has worked very well. If you like this trend line I was talking about, see, this trend line has worked multiple time as a support for Nifty. Okay, but now our analysis is different. Now the 19,400 440, this range is our stop loss area, our resistance area. So first of all, we have to mark that. And for selling and buying, I would say, for buying you should go only above. If market open flat, then after a breakout of the 19,440 level breakout, we'll only go for long. From here, if market open after the breakout of all-time high, you can go long, but it is quite risky. As I said, it has making doji at the top, so yes, you have to be very careful in this, for in upward move. But for downwards move, the breakdown level, the first breakdown level will be 19,340, this range. After the breakdown of this level, we can go we can see some profit booking, but the main support will be 19,300. Market has taken support in the last day from here also. So above 19,342 levels, we can go for selling in Nifty. Then our target will be 19,300 and 19,245 will be our target. And below this 19,000, below 19,235, 19,245, 19,200, this gap also can be traded very easily. Okay, so this is a simple analysis for Nifty. I will say a little bit of we have to little bit of risky above this range because market is little bit of overbought zone. So be careful for buying. Let's move to the bank nifty. So bank nifty also, the trend line which I mentioned the last day, that this trend line was also act very well. And for now, this is acting as a 45,701. This is acting as a very good support, but we are not going to we are marking the level 45,000 round number because here it is the actual support. Okay, so for selling, I would say if market open in this range flat or 40-50 points gap up or gap down, we can above the breakout level of this range 45,257, only have a breakup of this range we can go for long in bank nifty. And our first target will be 45,400. You can see that these two candles, right, market had taken rejection from our above. The first target will be 45,385 to 45,400 this, and above that there is the all-time high. It also might be tested for bank nifty. Okay, so this is for only for buying. And for selling, I'd say if market open 45 flat or a little bit of gap down in this range anywhere open, after the small retest we can go for selling in bank nifty, and we can get a very good target around 44,800. In this range we can book our profit. Okay, and below 44,800, so we have to ready with our level, that is level is coming around 44,637 to this low also can be tested if we get a very good momentum, right? Directly don't sell, wait for a retest with the after the breakdown level, after this candle low with the stop loss of the candles high, you can go for selling, we'll get a very good opportunity. Okay, so this is simple analysis for bank nifty. And like bank nifty, fin nifty also we have the same analysis. In fin nifty, if you see that this zone is acting as a very good support. Okay, this is a support zone and resistance zone, that initial resistance zone, that is around 20,293. This above the breakout of this range, we can plan for long in fin nifty. 20,376 will be a first target, and above that this 20,000 around 20,457 will be our second target, third target. And this is also we have to mark the all the swings high and low. All time high, if it is if you get a good momentum, this all time high also might be tested another time. And from here, after came here after retest of this bottom, we can see a very good profit booking from the top. It is also possible. And for selling below this level mentioned 20,200 in this range, breakdown of this range, we will plan for selling. The first target will be 20,126, and the second target will be this gap also can be traded, right, 20,071. And if you see that, for if you're looking for the next level, the level is coming around 20,000. This is a psychological number, so this level also can be tested in Nifty Finance. Okay, so I have few stocks, quickly watch that. So the first stock is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank, if you see this, the range is acting as a very good support. That is 955, this range. So if Bank Nifty shows some profit booking, ICICI Bank, also can show some profit booking. It can lead. It has that potential. After the breakdown level, this swing, breakdown of 955 level, this low can be tested very easily, 942 with the stop loss of today's high. Sorry, today's closing. We can get a very good target in ICICI Bank. So first, the first target will be around 950 area. Okay, above 950, below the 950, this is 941 will be our next target. You should shift to ratio at the cost, or if you are holding one lot, then you should book your profit. If you are holding multiple lot, book some here, or shift your stop loss, and then you can get this target as well. So the next stock is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, if you see, it has, from the top, if you see the for better analysis, if you see that in daily time frame, it has the top of HDFC Bank, and it has taken a rejection from the top and make a very good red candles. So here it has also possibilities ki, this trend line, if you see that, this trend line can act as a very good support for now, for HDFC Bank. And if you move to the toward the 15 minutes time frame, if you find that it is also making kind of double bottom kind of pattern, w kind of pattern it is making. So if I mark the low first, the important support area. Okay, so for buying, I will say that wait for breakout, break this level 16,081. Above this level you can go long, 16,092, 96, 1700. This level can be tested in HDFC Bank for upward movement. Okay, and for selling also below this 1668 levels, if it is not sustained in this area, then 1664 to the next target will be around this swing low. This is also can be tested in HDFC Bank, right? If Bank Nifty started falling, ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank both can, act according to, both can give the momentum. But if it is HDFC Bank, break this level and sustain in this area, so let's see, we have to play accordingly. Okay, so this is for HDFC Bank. And the next stocks which I'm going to discuss is Reliance. So in Reliance, I have discussed in the last video that it is making kind of pull and flag patterns, and now it is totally consolidated in this range. So it is better for us, how much, it is consolidating in this range. So if we get a breakdown or breakout, we'll get a directional move. So below 2570, after the breakout of this range, we'll get a we can expect good target, as it has consolidated 2545. We'll get a very good target here. Also it may can take any support, because this is a, around 2575, 45 or 30 points movement here. So any swing low, you should shift your stop loss, and then can participate the total value. Okay, so after the breakdown of 2570 levels, you will get a very good 2575 below, you will get a very good target in this range. In Reliance is only for selling, and for buying you can look for HDFC Bank. It has better target. So the next stock is Adani Enterprise. Adani Enterprise, if you see in the 15 minutes time frame, it is kind of making, if I mark that, so it was a resistance zone first, and then it is making kind of cup, and this is kind of making and handle kind of patterns. Basic analysis is this. And as it is Adani, the breakout, if it is breakout, the how much momentum it can make in a single day. So that's why the rejection level around 25 2440. Okay, above the level, now it is trading at 2400 levels. So above this breakout level, you get a stop loss of, our stop loss will be very 15 to 20 rupees stop loss. We'll get a very good target upside movement of 2527. This will be our first target, and the second target is around, coming around 2589 to 2600, this range. Okay, so in Adani Enterprise, above the breakout of this range, we can go for long. And if I also mark the low of this range, if anyhow it has given breakdown of 2335, you also plan for selling in Adani Enterprise for this movement. Forget this moment of first target will be around this swing low. The level is coming around 2279, and the next is, this is the all time, this is a low of 2200. This level also can be tested after the breakdown. As it is consolidating the top, the most chances are it will give breakout of the, in the higher level. But if it is not break, if it is also given breakdown in this range, we will also get a very good target in Adani Enterprise. So the second another stock is, that is Gujarat Gas. Gujarat Gas, if you see that, it has in daily time frame, for better understanding, for from the top 494 to in this range it has taken rejection. Okay, and now it has paused in this range. Okay, pause at the 469, now acting as a support. So if we move to the 15 minutes time frame, we will find that it has making a very pole and flag kind of patterns in a pole, and this is a flag. And below the breakdown of this range, you will also get a very good target. This 469, as I mentioned, this is a support zone. Okay, so below this range 469, let me mark that with the color. So below this 469, below this 469 level, you will get a very good target. The first target will be this gap can be traded. This gap you can see, this gap 466, the first target, and second target will be this low, that is around 460. Okay, only we are playing, we will play for selling only in Gujarat Gas. For buying other stock you can see the like HDFC, Adani Enterprise, and similarly for MGL as well. In the daily time frame, if you see that it has taken rejections at the top multiple time, it has taken rejections, it has now holding here. So in 15 minutes time frame, if you see that the primary rejection zone around 1088, this is the primary rejection zone for MGL, and the support area is around 1068. Okay, so this is a support area, and this is a rejection area. So if market opens in this flat open, after that if it is break 1088 level, we will get a very good upside target for MGL. And similarly, if it is open, see I'm planning for buying also, it is very good for buying only, because for selling 1080 to 1068, almost 15 to 20 points you have to move. So the breakdown, after the breakdown of this level, the target will be very less, because it has moved in this range. So but you also can add it on your watch list, for upcoming days. But if it is given breakout, so we'll get a very good target. So our levels will be, if I mark top to bottom, so our target, it is coming around 1104 levels. After our stop loss will be today's closing will be our stop loss, and our target will be 1102 will be our target, very good target you will get in MGL. So that's all for this video, guys, and I hope this analysis will also help you. You can add in the watch list, analyze yourself, and execute a trade if you find any good opportunities. So that's all for this video, and have a good day. Bye.